Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Madhumita Sengupta from Kolkata, contestant number 6 to Iowa Mrs. India 2020, and we are here with our second task. What precautions should we take to protect ourselves from COVID 19? Yes, COVID 19 is a global pandemic situation which is pushing the entire global into crisis. And before we take the precautions, we should know what is exactly COVID 19. COVID 19 is also called the coronavirus disease. It is an infectious disease which is caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID 19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness, and older people who are having medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. But currently, there are no specific vaccines or very specific treatments to COVID 19. So, before we take precautions, we should know how does it spread. It spreads mainly from person to person. People who are in close contact with one another within say 6 feet. It also spreads through respiratory droplets which are produced when an infected person coughs, sneezes or talks. These droplets can land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into lungs. Some recent studies have suggested that COVID-19 may be spread by people who are not even showing any kind of symptoms. So, what we should do? Yes, the precautions. First of all, clean your hands very often. Just clean your hands very often. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been from a public place or after blowing your nose or say after coughing or sneezing. If you have soap and water, it's fine. Please wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Cover all the surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. Please avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. And it is very important to wash your hands before eating or preparing food, before you touch your face, after using a restroom or a public place, leaving from a public place, blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing, after changing or taking care of someone who is sick, after touching animals or pets. The next very important thing is please avoid close contact with people. Limit contact with others as much as possible. Avoid close contact with people who are especially sick. The close contact should be avoided, and definitely with people who are sick, and put distance between yourself and other people. That's why we are maintaining the 6 feet or the minimum 3 feet distance so as to cause the prevention. The next thing that we should do is to cover your mouth and nose with a cloth face cover when around others or when in a public place. Everyone should wear a cloth face or what we call the mask whenever you are in a public setting. The cloth face cover is meant to protect other people in case you are infected, and also preventing yourself from getting the disease if others are infected. Continue to keep about 6 feet between yourself and others. The cloth face cover is not a substitute for social distancing. Social distancing should always be maintained, and the mask is mandatory. So the mask is always mandatory along with social distancing. Both are not substitutes to one another, but very much needed. Cover coughs and sneezes is the next precaution we should take. Always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze, and use the inside of your elbow instead of using your hands. Please throw your tissues in the trash as soon as possible, and as already said, please immediately wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not readily available, again and again, please clean your hands with hand sanitizer which contains 60% of alcohol. Clean and disinfectant frequently the surfaces that you touch very often, like tables, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, switches, laptops, handles, doorknobs. Very important, use detergent or soap and water prior to disinfection. So the measures which will really help you: avoid close contact with people who are sick, maintain minimum of 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing, maintain 6 feet if possible. If you are really sick, please stay back at home, don't go outside. Always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze, and please use the inside of your elbow, don't spit. Very important, social distancing, hand washing. You don't need the sanitizer or hand wash in large quantities, a small amount will do. But please keep the sanitizers away from children. It may be poisonous, just a precaution. And as soon as you use sanitizer, it is flammable, so do not please run to cook or handle fire. The most important thing, remember that washing your hands with soap and water is the most effective against COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. That's the mantra. Please stay at home. And this situation, I'm sure we will overcome one day. Thank you very much.